Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the keyboard and installing any device drivers so Windows or Mac OS recognizes it. Once done, open Cubase and choose a low-latency SEO driver to avoid lag during play. Make sure Cubase shows your keyboard under Studio Setup, then enable its Midi input ports so Cubase receives signals. You do this now because an acknowledged input is required before creating tracks or assigning instruments. Confirming the activity LED tells you the physical connection and drivers are functioning correctly. Next, add an instrument or MIDI track and load your chosen VST instrument so audio will be produced from MIDI notes. Make sure the track input is assigned to your keyboard and that you enable monitor and record arm. This lets you hear the VST in real time and verify note input. You should also confirm the MIDI channel matches the keyboard or set it to all channels. Adjusting buffer size reduces latency, and routing ensures the MIDI stream reaches the instrument properly for recording or performance. Finally, record your performance using punch-in or loop modes, and then edit notes, velocities, and controller lanes in the key editor to refine timing and expression. Once satisfied, save the project or create a template that preserves the keyboard input, VST routing, and monitoring settings for quick recall. If you encounter no MIDI signal, first recheck cables and drivers. Then verify the keyboard appears in Studio Setup and that Mac OS or Windows MIDI permissions are enabled. These steps fix most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.